Randall Parker Foods, we have a site here in Lantra and we have a cutting plant in Andover. So we are one of the largest lamb producer in the country.
Yn Randall Parker Foods, da ni'n neud tua 1 miliwn o wyn y flwyddyn. Da ni'n lladd tua 500 yr awr. Mae'r wyn yn dod dros Prydain i gyd. Maen nhw'n cael ei werthu dipyn bach i'r retail, dipyn bach export a weddill wholesale dros Prydain. Mae'n gallu fod yn gwaith caled, ond mae'n gallu fod yn rewarding iawn hefyd. Mae'r siawns i gael sgiliau newydd a qualifications, mae'r skills yn transferable ac bysach chi'n gallu trafeilio efo'r skills yna.
So we've had quite a lot of support from Food Skills Cymru. We managed to train about 150 employees to date. We value continual improvement for all our employees, from shop floor up to management. And we like to see people learning new skills, helps them with their job and productivity for the company as well. So being nominated for the Lantra Cymru Awards is very exciting. It's very exciting for me because I've been in the job 4 years and this is my first nomination, but it's very exciting for the staff and for the company. It showcases the fact that we do pride ourselves in training.